Hello and welcome to Operation Stormy Weather. This is Fui here with British and French, turn 16. First thing is China 15. This actually needs to be resolved. These attacks last forever, so I will make an array. Blue is the artillery, black is the cavalry, and we'll do left to right is the order of hits. So we're looking for a 1 from the cavalry, or a 2 from the artillery, a 3 from the artillery. So we'll go again. There we go, artillery gets it. Okay, then China, you're buying 2 infantry, not 3 cavalry this turn, just 2 infantry. And they have a number of attacks. You're sending 6 cavalry into Xinjiang, 3 cavalry into Mongolia, 2 cavalry into Caroline, and then everything else is going to Nanking. Let's start over here, and this is winter for them, so it's 6 at 1. Gets 1 hit, then defending 1, and defending 2. So they will retreat after killing 1. Okay, we will do Central Mongolia. Nothing. Defending at 1. Oop. Go back here. We'll go over here. No, we'll go here. And then Caroline. We'll make this guy the defense at a 2. Everything's at, or these are at 1s. Nothing. So go back. Then we can go to the city. First strikes are first, so there's 2 first strikes at 3. Nope. Everything's coming through Shantung. So there's 14 at 1. 6, 12. That's more than I wanted. It's 14 at 1. That's nothing. Okay. So I'll retreat everything to Shantung. These guys walk to Yunnan. One of them will rail to Guangdong, Guizhou, not Guangdong. And then 2 are built in Shantung. 2 infantry. Okay, that is China. They pick up 6. Then the British rolled tech on Discord, got 2 out of 4. So I get to place a free strategic rocket. And you're buying 2 advanced artillery. You're buying 5 more colonials on top of this. Nope. We're going back in time. Just let it load for a minute. There we go. Okay, let's try it again. That's another $10 right there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Done. Free diplomacy on Afghanistan. Nope. And a free strike rocket. Not doing the battleships this turn. Okay. Combat moves. We are going into Transcaucasia with a bunch of stuff. 2 fighters, and that's it in Transcaucasia. No combat moves elsewhere. Yep, nothing. Okay, that's the only combat move for one. No, this is going to be as long as I need. 2 fighters at 6 gets a hit. Three cavalry at 2 gets a hit. 4 infantry at 1. Okay, 2 hits in round 1. Oh, and another infantry right here that I missed. Nope. Defense is 2 fighters. He, of course, hits 1. 4 cavalry. Gets another hit. And those are 4 at 5 for this trench line. Gets 4 more hits. Wow. That's just wonderful, isn't it? Yeah, well, that's just lovely. I'm gonna retreat now. Fighter went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 to southern Persia. Yep. That's all the combat. 5th Fleet will pick up 6 infantry. Leave behind the carrier. Go 1, 2, 3. Those, yeah, this guy's going. These transports are gonna leave. He's gonna go in port in Gibraltar. Fleet goes to A22. Two Marines will walk to the 28th. Really not much British are doing right now. Okay, let's take these colonials. 1, 2, 3, 4. One guy will walk to Siam. Both of these jets can be placed in Maharashtra. I might actually walk some more colonials over here. This is all in home country. 7 transports in the 4th Fleet. Where was I putting this airbase? It's a fun question. I thought I had something in mind. But I don't know. Oh, Portugal. That works. Portugal works. 5 colonials. 1, 2, 3, 4 walks over, and 5 will be Celebes. Okay, France is going to pick up 6 colonials. Go 1, 2, 3. Doesn't actually matter if they get to that side, so they'll stay over here. Going to Eastern Egypt, hiding in port. And this guy will walk backwards. Actually, he'll go north. Sure. Oh, France has $10. Buying colonials. They don't have a shipyard, do they? No. 5 colonials purchased. These 2 dudes walk to Siam, get 2 colonials, 3 colonials in North Africa. Let's go rail up. Actually, leave one of these behind. Actually, build a colonial in Madagascar. The British need to pick up money, pick up 55 flat again. French will pick up 9. And that's it. Thanks for watching.